English vocabulary. Topic: phrasal verbs. Get on, get on. Loud. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. សូមឡើងរថយន្តក្រុង I'm getting on the train. I'm getting on the train. ខ្ញុំកំពុងតែឡើងរថភ្លើង Get off. Get off. ចុះ I must get off the bus at the next stop. I must get off the bus at the next stop. ខ្ញុំត្រូវចុះពីរថយន្តក្រុងនៅចំណុចបន្ទាប់ Get off the train at the next station. Get off the train at the next station. ចុះពីលើរថភ្លើងនៅស្ថានីយ៍បន្ទាប់ Put on. Put on. ពាក់ Put on your coat. Put on your coat. ពាក់អាវធំរបស់អ្នក Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. ពាក់ស្បែកជើងរបស់អ្នក Run away. Run away. រត់ទៅឆ្ងាយ The thief had run away when the police came. The thief had run away when the police came. ចោរបានរត់គេចខ្លួនពេលប៉ូលីសមកដល់ You can't just run away from the situation. You can't just run away from the situation. អ្នកមិនអាចរត់ចេញពីស្ថានភាពបានទេ Come off. Come off. ជ្រុះឬក៏របូត His hair began to come off. His hair began to come off. សក់របស់គាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមជ្រុះ A button had come off my coat. A button had come off my coat. លែវមួយបានធ្លាក់ចេញពីអាវរបស់ខ្ញុំ Take out. Take out. យកចេញ How many teeth does the dentist take out? How many teeth does the dentist take out? តើពេទ្យធ្មេញដកធ្មេញចំនួនប៉ុន្មាន Don't forget to take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. កុំភ្លេចយកសម្រាមចេញ Look after. look after មើលថែ Can you help look after the kids? Can you help look after the kids? តើអ្នកអាចជួយមើលកូនបានទេ Please look after my luggage for a minute. Please look after my luggage for a minute. សូមមើលអីវ៉ាន់ខ្ញុំមួយនាទីផង Grow up. Grow up. ធំលូតលាស់ She will grow up into a beautiful girl. She will grow up into a beautiful girl. នាងនឹងធំឡើងជាស្រីស្អាត All the plants like to grow up toward the sunlight. All the plants like to grow up toward the sunlight. រុក្ខជាតិទាំងអស់ចូលចិត្តដុះឆ្ពោះទៅរកពន្លឺព្រះអាទិត្យ Tear up. Tear up. ហើយ Why do you tear up the letter? Why did you tear up that letter? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកហែកសំបុត្រនោះ Just tear up the contract and be done with it. Just tear up the contract and be done with it. គ្រាន់តែហែកសន្យាហើយធ្វើវា Pick up. Pick up. លើកឡើង Pick up your pencils and write your name. Pick up your pencil and write your name. លើកយកខ្មៅដៃហើយសរសេរឈ្មោះរបស់អ្នក Can you pick up the pen for me? Can you pick up the pen for me? តើអ្នកអាចរើសយកប៊ិចឲ្យខ្ញុំបានទេ Fill in. Fill in. បំពេញ Fill in your full name and address. Fill in your full name and address. បំពេញឈ្មោះពេញរបស់អ្នកហើយនិងអាសយដ្ឋាន Get up. Get up. ក្រោកឡើង She finds it very difficult to get up early. She finds it very difficult to get up early. នាងពិបាកក្រោកពីព្រលឹមណាស់ It's time to get up. It's time to get up. ដល់ពេលក្រោកហើយ Get in. Get in. ចូលក្នុង get out get out ចេញក្រៅ